Here is how to install the regclass package on a Mac. So from the Blackboard site in the Resources tab, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on regclass, this hard gzip file. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have that download, and I'm going to show this in Finder, and I'm going to go ahead and just copy this into my desktop. You can download this anywhere, and it'll work from anywhere, just my downloads folder is pretty big. So imagine I downloaded that to my desktop here. You can also do that by right-clicking and doing Save Link As, and then you can choose where you want it to be downloaded to. Alright, once I have that installed, or once I have that downloaded, I'm going to head over to RStudio, and I need to run a few additional commands. So I'm going to copy and paste this block of commands right here. These are some additional packages, some bunches of R code that other people have written that plays well pretty nicely with the code that I've written in this class. So I'm going to open up a new R script, and just one by one I'm going to install these packages. You need to be connected to the internet to do this, and it'll show that it's downloaded and installed those things. And hopefully you won't run into any sort of problems. Every now and then you might run into a warning that says, hey, this package was built with this version of R. You can ignore that. That's just fine. Okay, so we've now installed the 5 prerequisite packages. And what I want to do now is actually get the regclass package installed. Notice right now, if we click on the Packages tab over here and scan down, this gives you a list of all the packages with all the code that's been installed. And regclass would be right here, but it's not, because we haven't installed it yet. So how do we do this? Well, we click on the Install button, and we're going to install from a package archive file. We're going to click Browse, navigate to where you downloaded that file, and in this case, I downloaded it just to the desktop. I'll click Open, and I'll click Install. And so it'll go through and give me some messages here. Some of you may get warnings about, hey, this was created on a different version of R. That's fine. You'll be good to go. And it says done. Okay, so now if I scan down over here, I do see that regclass is installed. Now, there's going to be a lot of commands we use in this, and to actually make those commands available at the beginning of every RStudio session, you're going to have to actually type out library regclass and run that. And that is going to load up all of those previous required packages, and you'll be good to go now for the rest of the course. Now, you do have to do this every time you open RStudio, or you can head over to the Packages tab, and you can manually click on the checkmark box here to either have it be attached or detached.